John Deere now has 5 P-tier excavators covering the entire 20-ton class. The 210, 230, and 260 are new machines, redesigned cows, standard grade control, 270-degree camera systems. The 160 and 250 are P-tier updates to proven platforms, with front-end durability improvements and fuel efficiency gains. Between all 5 models, Deere's positioned an excavator at every weight point from 18 to 27 metric tons. Here's what separates them and where the upgrades actually matter. Deere's covering the entire 20-ton class with 5 weight points. The 160P sits around 18 metric tons. The 210P at 21 tons, the 230P at 23 tons, the 250P at 27.5 tons. The 260P pushes the upper limit of midsize. Contractors shopping for midsize excavators typically know their weight requirements, transport restrictions, lifting capacity, dig depth. By offering 5 models instead of 2 or 3, Deere eliminates the close but not quite right problem that sends buyers to competitors. The split between new and updated matters. The 210, 230, and 260 are next-generation machines, full redesigned using operator feedback. The 160 and 250 are P-tier upgrades applied to existing platforms. Deere gets cutting-edge features on the new models while keeping proven designs for contractors who prioritize durability and familiarity. The 210, 230, and 260 P-tier models are what Deere calls redesigned from the ground up. The development process involved hundreds of operators and over 165,000 operating hours of field testing. Deere used that feedback to reshape the cab, hydraulics, and control systems. The cab is the most visible change. More than 27 inches of legroom, 10 points of seat adjustability, and 2 free adjustments for armrests and joysticks. The G5 Plus 12.8-inch touchscreen is standard. It handles machine health monitoring, attachment management, and camera feeds in split-screen or full-screen mode. The cab is also described as the largest in the class, though Deere hasn't published exact interior dimensions for comparison. Visibility got a specific focus. The standard camera system, right, rear, and left cameras with LED surround lighting provides about 270 degrees of coverage around the machine. This is integrated into the main monitor, not an add-on afterthought. For operators working near traffic, structures, or ground crews, the improved sightlines reduce the need to constantly reposition or rely solely on spotters. Hydraulics on the new generation include selectable modes, dig, lift, and eco, plus adjustable hydraulic response settings. Operators can match power delivery to the task. Aggressive digging in dig mode, smoother control for lifting or grading in lift mode, fuel savings in eco. The refinement Deere emphasizes is smoother cycle times and better control near constraints, which matters for precision work around utilities or foundations. Standard across all 3 new models. 2D grade control, upgradable to 3D smart grade. This isn't optional technology anymore. It's baked into the base machine. The 160P and 250P represent P-tier upgrades to existing platforms rather than ground-up redesigns. These machines keep the proven G-Series foundation but add specific durability and efficiency improvements. Front joint durability is the primary focus. Deere upgraded the boom and arm joints with top hat bushings, hardened pins with an additional 5 mm of case depth, and 2-sided mud and dirt seals, referred to as 2MAD seals. These changes extend joint life in abrasive conditions by keeping contaminants out and improving sealing performance. For contractors working in sand, gravel, or demolition environments, front joint wear is a major maintenance cost. Deere is claiming these upgrades can double joint life in sandy conditions. The 160P and 250P also get the same camera system as the new generation, right, rear, and left cameras with LED lighting for 270-degree visibility. This is standard equipment, not an upgrade. The 160P delivers 112 kilonewtons bucket breakout and 81 kilonewtons arm tear-out. The 250P pushes 189 kilonewtons bucket breakout and 114 kilonewtons arm tear-out. Swing speeds are 13.3 and 13.5 RPM respectively. Despite the split between new and updated models, Deere standardized several features across the entire P-tier midsize lineup. Right, rear, and left cameras with LED surround lighting integrated into the main monitor. All 5 models get approximately 270 degrees of visibility as standard equipment. This wasn't universal on previous Deere midsize machines. It's now baseline. Hydraulic modes appear across the lineup, though implementation varies. The 250P uses PowerWise Plus hydraulic management with selectable productivity, power, and economy modes. The new generation models, 210, 230, 260, offer dig, lift, and eco modes with adjustable hydraulic response settings. The core concept is the same. Operators match machine behavior to the task instead of running one fixed hydraulic profile all day. All 5 models support attachment flexibility. The hydraulic coupler-ready option is available across the lineup, and all machines include auxiliary hydraulic circuits for running tools like breakers, compactors, and grapples. Deere's pushing the multi-tool platform positioning. These aren't just diggers, they're meant to handle varied work without constant machine swaps. Telematics and connectivity are standard, but not identical. JD-Link integration is available across all models for remote monitoring, maintenance alerts, and fleet management through the John Deere Operations Center. The new generation adds remote display access for remote diagnostics support, which Deere explicitly states requires no subscription. The technology split between new and updated models becomes clearer with grade control and advanced features. The 210, 230, and 260 P-tier models come standard with 2D grade control and can be upgraded to full 3D smart grade. This includes features like overdig protect, bucket angle maintenance for grading, and elevation monitoring. Deere also mentions an auto laser catch feature aimed at reducing stop and press interruptions during laser reference work. Remote display access lets support staff or operators remotely view the grade control monitor for troubleshooting or project updates. And wireless data transfer handles plan updates and change orders without physically connecting to the machine. The attachment manager on the new generation handles up to 20 attachments with setup and calibration tracking. It integrates with grade control and machine fences, storing custom settings per tool. This matters for contractors running multiple attachments across jobs. Breakers, thumbs, different bucket sizes, where recalibration and setup time add up. Machine damage avoidance and virtual fences are available on the new models. Operators can set limits above, below, and around the machine to prevent accidental contact with utilities, structures, or overhead obstacles. Optional advanced vision and object detection systems add another layer, though Deere hasn't detailed how these function or what objects they detect. Easy Control and SmartWay are also mentioned for the new generation. Easy Control simplifies boom, arm, and bucket movements during lifting and craning work. SmartWay provides dynamic load weighing, and Deere claims calibration doesn't require a known weight, though practical accuracy in the field isn't confirmed. The 160 and 250 P-tier don't appear to offer these advanced features as standard. They get the core durability and efficiency upgrades, camera systems, and hydraulic flexibility, but the integrated grade control and connectivity suite is reserved for the new generation. Operating weights and performance figures show how the 5 models separate. The 160P operates at 17,945 kilograms with a maximum dig depth of 6.49 meters. Fuel tank capacity is 500 liters, reflecting longer run times between refueling on larger jobs. Dig depths, breakout forces, and horsepower figures for these 3 models aren't confirmed in available sources. What's clear is that Deere's covering the range from roughly 18 metric tons up to 27.5 metric tons with tight increments. For contractors evaluating machines, the question becomes whether the 2-3 metric ton differences between models justify choosing one over another, or whether the technology package on the new generation matters more than the weight class. Caterpillar, Komatsu, Volvo, Hitachi, and Hyundai all have established mid-size excavators targeting the same contractors. Deere's 5-model strategy is an attempt to eliminate gaps where competitors might have a better fit. What Deere's betting on is the complete package. No single feature here is groundbreaking. Competitor machines offer grade control, camera systems, and attachment management, but Deere's standardizing these features across the lineup and tiering them strategically. The new generation gets the full technology suite. The updated models get durability and efficiency upgrades without the premium price tag that likely comes with the 210, 230, and 260. Deere's traditional advantage remains dealer network and parts availability. For contractors who need repairs done quickly or want reliable service support, staying with Deere makes operational sense, even if a competitor's machine matches or beats individual specs. The P-tier expansion gives Deere's dealer network something concrete to sell: tangible cab improvements, documented fuel savings on the 250P, and integrated technology that's becoming expected rather than optional. Contractors make decisions based on upfront cost, fuel consumption, maintenance intervals, resale value, and downtime. The P-tier models need to deliver measurable value in real-world conditions, not just in marketing materials. Between all five, Deere's positioned a machine at every weight point in the 20-ton class. How these machines perform against established competition from Caterpillar, Komatsu, and Volvo will come down to pricing, dealer support, and job site results. If you want to see how the rest of the excavator market is responding to Deere's mid-size push, the next video breaks down what Cat and Komatsu are doing in the same weight classes.